Okay.
Are you recording?
Yes. This is too good not to record and share. Hubby is trying Winnie's birthday cake from Three Dog Baker.
Okay, it kind of stings the tongue.
Well, Winnie seemed to like it.
It's like it's supposed to be frosting, but where's the sweet? It's just like it's like instant ugh.
That's a ginormous piece. She can't eat all that tonight. She's already had 3 pieces.
It's not frosting. It's very bland.
Okay, let's look inside the cake so people can see how cute it looks on the inside. Look at how adorable that is. Well, the pup loved it, but hubby, not so much.
Okay.